And I'm going to the gym. Nice day. It's Friday here in Dubai and we're enjoying the pool. There's no people yet. So I did gym just for half an hour. It's been a long time because I'm just walking out with Lucas. That's my exercise. I'll go shopping for my baking. Here at Carrefour. And we're home now. I'm gonna bake, guys. I'll show you my baking journey. I'm planning to bake brownie and bread for Lucas. Hi! Say hi. Hi. Oh. Breakfast! Lucas! Put on your shoes, Lucas! Ito po yung nabili kong sunglasses sa Carrefour yesterday. Mura lang siya, pero yung nakikita ko parang very sepia yung color. Yellow, parang nasa 60s yung paningin ko.
Boom!
Boom! Go in your car, Lucas. Can you go in the car? Let's go to the park. Yes. It's a play park. No kids. It's Saturday. Masakit na talaga yung mata ko. Hindi maganda sa paningin ito. Maganda siya kasi malaki, pero ang sakit. Yeah. We're having the brownie. Hi. Where's Lucas? Yes, it's brownies with cheesecake and caramel hazelnuts. Time to get. Bye bye, guys. Mwah.